Do not buy one of these unless you like washing your car the old-fashioned way with a towel and a bucket. That boy lays it down thick, let me tell you. Look at that. Look at all that. This is the Tool Daily Foam Cannon. If you see that link down there, that means they're finally back in stock. And it comes with the spray gun, the foam cannon, and then 4 separate attachments for your power washer. Cool part about this gun right here is it's got that little quick connect so you can take it on and off for your convenience. Twist this little knob right here and it adjusts how much soap you want to use. When you twist the end of it, it determines how wide you want your foam to spray. They got a flash sale going on right now, but here's the thing, you can get them for way cheaper if you've got the right coupons. I went ahead and put a link down below for you, that way you can see what kind of discounts you can get.